We are done with basic task. Now let us move on to workbench description. So this session contains the description of the workbench icons and menus. Many of these commands are already discussed in greater details in the before basic task session. So let me show you the general and sketch tool. So those are this icon is for sketch, and the second one is called positioned sketch. And once we click on sketch, it will ask on which plane do we need. So let me select the YZ plane. It will go to the sketch workbench. So this option here is called exit workbench option. So on your keyboard, the control key is to lock the currently detected constraints and the shift key is to deactivate a constraint. Now under profile tool, we have this option here, that is grid. Then we have snap to point, and then standard and construction element. And then we have geometrical constraints, dimensional constraints, line, tangent arc, and 3-point arc. So these are the general sketch tool. Now the sketched geometry, we have profile tool, and under predefined profiles, we have oriented rectangle, elongated hole, parallelogram, cylindrically elongated hole, keyhole profile, hexagon, centered rectangle, centered parallelogram. Under circle, we have centered circle, 3-point circle, use circle using coordinates, tritangent circle, arc with 3 points, 3-point arc via limits, and basic arc. Under spline, we have spline and connecting arc. This is ellipse, parabola by focus, hyperbola by focus, and conic. Under line, we have basic line, bitangent line, infinite line, bisecting line, and line normal to the curve. And then finally we have point by clicking, point using coordinate, equidistant point, intersection point, and projection point. And this one is the axis. And then under operations on sketched geometry, we have corners, chamfers, trim, mirror, and under trim we have break, quick trim, close element, and complement. Under mirror, we have mirror, symmetry, translate element, rotate, scale element, and offset element. And then we have project 3D elements, intersect 3D elements, and then intersect 3D elements, and project 3D silhouette edges. And under constraints, we have constraint and contact constraint. Then we have animate constraint and edit multiple constraints. The tools we have cut part by sketch, we have sketch solving, sketch analysis, and creating datum. And element colors, we have white, which is current, red orange, which is for selected, yellow protected, brown no changed, green is for fixed and ISO constraint, violet is for over constrained, and red is for inconsistent. Under Sketcher menu bar, we have Start, File, Edit, View, Insert, Tools, Windows, and Help. Under Edit, we have Undo, Cut, Copy, Paste, Paste Special, Search, Auto Search, Selection Set Edition, Find Owning Selection Set. View, we have Toolbars, Command List, Geometry, Specification, Compass, Reset Compass, Tree Expansion, Specifications, Overview, Geometry Overview, Fit All in, Zoom Area, Zoom In, Out, Pan, Rotate, Modify, Named Views, Render Style, Navigation Mode, Lighting, Depth Effect, Ground, Magnifier, Hide, Show, and Full Screen. Inset is used for constraints, profiles, and operations, which we want to do it using Insert tool. Tools are for formulas, images, macros, utility, customize, visualization, filters, options, standards, conferencing, and sketch analysis. Window is to open a new window or tile horizontally or tile vertically or cascade or to view other previously opened sketch or window, CATIA window. Using Help, you can use CATIA V5 Help, User Guide, What's New, and all about CATIA V5. So by this we come to the end of Workbench description. Let us move on to customization for Sketcher in the next session. Thank you.